Alakarna. She is Manisha Kumari. We are students of class 4 and our project is Diwali. Now Manisha will tell few lines about Diwali.
Diwali. Diwali. Diwali is the festival of light. It is one of the biggest festivals celebrated in India. Diwali is the celebration of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after 14 years exile. Now Alia will tell few lines about Diwali.
We worship Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha on Diwali. We light candle and decorate our home with rangoli. We eat sweets and share our gift with friends and neighbors. We do lots of Diwali shopping on Dhanteras. We get long school holiday to celebrate Diwali. Diwali is the most lovely and beautiful festival. We enjoy it very much. Thank you. This project is guided by Priya ma'am. Happy Diwali.
Myself Karti Singh and she is Lakshmi Rajwade. Today we are here to present our history project solar panel. Now what is solar panel? Sunlight and heat energy can be felt us every day. Solar energy trapped from the sun can be used in solar cells to produce electricity. Solar energy is also used in solar cookers, solar dryers, solar heaters, which has been used for community lighting and traffic signals. Thank you. This project is guided by Amita ma'am.
And next to her is Suhail Raza and next to him is Mahima. We are the student of class 10. We are standing here to present a project of digestive system. So first of all, we all have to know about what is digestion. Digestion is a process in which living organisms digest their food in the form of energy. Now Saraswati will explain parts of digestive system.
Parts of digestive system. First mouth, second esophagus, third stomach, fourth liver, fifth gallbladder, sixth pancreas, seventh small intestine, eighth large intestine, ninth anus. First mouth. Digestion process starts from the mouth. It breaks down the food into smaller pieces while saliva contains enzymes that break down the carbohydrates and it makes the food softer. Now Sunil will explain.
Esophagus. Esophagus is a hollow tube-like structure which helps in transportation of food from mouth to stomach due to contraction and relaxation of a muscle, and this process is known as peristalsis. Stomach. Stomach is a bag-like structure which contains three types of things: hydrochloric acid, pepsin, and mucus. Hydrochloric acid helps in digestion of food and also kill bacteria. Pepsin helps in digestion of protein, and mucus is a protective layer which protects stomach from hydrochloric acid. Liver. Liver secretes bile juice. Bile juice are stored in gallbladder which help in emulsification of fat. Now Mahima will explain about rest of the part.
Pancreas. Pancreas secretes three types of enzymes: trypsin, lipase, and pancreatic amylase. Trypsin help in digestion of protein, lipase help in breakdown of fats, and pancreatic amylase help in digestion of carbohydrates. Small intestine. The juices of liver and pancreas come here, then also small intestine absorb digested food. Then it moves to large intestine. Large intestine absorb water and waste sent through anus. At the end, the digestive system is essential for our health, helping us to extract nutrients from food. Understanding it highlights how our body functions every day. Thank you. This project is guided by Ma'am Seema.
My name is Khushi Prajapati and next to me is Devanti Rajwade. We are the student of class 10 and today we are here to present the structure of brain. So let's we talk about first what is brain. The organ inside the head which helps to function the body of a human being, that one is called brain. Brain is made up of billions of nerve cells. Then we talk about what is the role of brain. Brain plays an important role and crucial role. That it is responsible for thought, interpretation, and origin of control for body movement. Then let's we talk about the parts of brain. So first is upper part. Upper part functions are seeing, hearing, reasoning, learning and thinking, etc. Then next one is lower part. Lower part is functions are breathing, swelling, maintenance of body temperature, balance, etc. We deeply talk about this. Then the parts are forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. Forebrain. Forebrain is responsible for voluntary actions, thinking and processing. Then next one is midbrain. The midbrain controls motor movements and sensory processing. The next one is hindbrain. Hindbrain manages coordination, balance and autonomic functions like breathing and heart rate. Thank you. This project is guided by Seema ma'am.